So one of the really valuable services we provide to our clients through the Concierge Legal Protection Program is that we help clients do risk assessments, and we'll walk through topics on a quarterly basis and make sure that they're being properly addressed within the company and answer questions that the company may have. And one of the big areas that we key in on during the legal risk assessments is your policies and procedures related to your employees. You know, if you have form employee agreements, if you have an up-to-date employee handbook, and other systems and procedures related to how you're handling personnel matters. We want to make sure that those are being looked at and updated on a regular basis. As an employer, you're going to want to make sure that you're in compliance with a lot of the key federal laws, such as the Family Medical Leave Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and other related laws that give employees rights. And really, to the extent that you are covered by those laws, you want them to be reflected in your employee handbook, and you want to follow your employee handbook. There are a lot of interesting situations that can come up in a workplace environment, and an attorney can help you investigate those situations and talk to the people who are involved and memorialize their version of what happened so that you don't have questions later about who said what. The investigation helps you as an employer to fulfill your duty to know and control what's happening in your environment. And it can also help you spot ways in which to minimize or reduce liability, and can help you look to the future and decide if you want to update your policies and procedures to avoid similar situations. You know, generally, you want to keep your business attorney up to date on terminations, especially if you're terminating someone who is at an officer or C-suite level or above, or other key employees. Also, if there's a situation where there's a potential for the terminated employee to claim that the termination was in retaliation for lodging a workplace complaint, or the terminated employee belongs to a protected class and has raised issues about whether they're being treated fairly, you want to tread firmly and also with assistance in such matters. It's a fact of life for business owners that to really accomplish something significant, you need a team and you need employees. And it's also a fact of life that with employees come a whole range of situations. And so you definitely want to have someone you can call with your questions about employee matters. If you have any questions regarding your employees and your relationship with your employees, give us a call at Sierra Crest Business Law Group.